Hi guys! Welcome sa another video dito sa channel natin. And today, ang i-feature naman natin is batch cooking and no meat menudo. So ano ba yung batch cooking? Paano ba to ginagawa? So when we started sa whole food plant-based diet naming mag-asawa, it is a necessity for us to really plan our meals ahead. Especially ngayong quarantine season na lagi kaming nandito sa bahay. Kung iisipin natin, araw-araw naman talaga kaming pwedeng magluto kasi nasa bahay lang naman. Still, medyo mahirap pa din siya i-manage, especially if you're working from home. Meron ka pang extracurricular activities like church services, ito, yung pagbablog. So, sobrang nakatulong talaga sa amin yung batch cooking or yung mga tinatawag na freezer meals. Ano pala yung mga benefits ng pagbabatch cooking? So first, easier and shorter time to prepare and to cook. Second, mapanatili niya yung freshness ng ating pagkain since nasa freezer siya. Kahit na iwan mo siya ng 1 to 2 weeks sa freezer, fresh pa rin siya kapag ni-reheat natin yung ating food. Third is cost efficient siya. Since we already prepared our food, what we need is just to reheat our meals and then we are ready to go. The tendency is when we don't have a prepared meal or a readily available meal, when we are exhausted from a day's work, the tendency is just to grab our phones and then order from any delivery service. So, of course, it will cost us a lot instead of just reheating our already prepared or already cooked meals. So, even our curry last time, batch cooking din siya. So, half of it, nilagay lang namin sa freezer and then after a week, okay pa din siya. So, may mga araw na hindi na namin kailangan magluto kasi naka-prepare na siya sa aming mga freezers. Yung ituturo kong recipe ngayon sa inyo is no meat menudo. Personally, favorite ko talaga yung menudo, lalo na yung luto ng tatay ko. Sobrang sarap nun. Shout out sa tatay ko. Ayan, namimiss ko na talaga yung menudo niya. Pero dahil nga we are exercising a plant-based whole food diet, hindi na namin pwedeng ilagay yung mga normal na ingredients ng menudo, which is yung pork or yung liver, spread. Naiisip ko pa din siya, pero masarap talaga siya. Pero dahil we are really managing our health, kailangan ko personally mag-transition to a plant-based whole food meals. So dito sa ating no meat menudo, ano ba yung mga ingredients? We need garlic, shallots or onion, mixed vegetables or mixed veggies, potato, sliced button mushroom, chickpeas or yung garbanzos natin, green peas, diced tomatoes, or you can also use your tomato sauce. And then tomato paste. For the spices, we need salt, pepper, basil leaves, cayenne pepper if you want it to be spicy. Ayan. And naglagay din ako ng pickle relish. Konti. Let's go straight into cooking. In your heated pot, add your oil, and then saute your garlic and shallots. Add your mushroom, potatoes, chickpeas, mixed vegetables, and then your green peas. After that, add your salt and pepper, half cup of water, add your tomato sauce, and then your tomato paste. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes and then turn off heat. For the prep time, it's 10 minutes. For the cook time, it's 15 to 20 minutes. In batch cooking, it's important to note not to overcook our vegetables. Yung mga canned goods natin, like the garbanzos, green peas, also our frozen vegetables are already been pre-cooked. So, very minimal na lang yung pagluto natin sa kanila. So when you eat it next time, hindi siya soggy, hindi siya malabsak. Yung texture niya is maayos pa din. Sino ba yung mga ka-benefit dito sa batch cooking? Of course, to us working from home, sa mga mommies natin, and also dun sa mga regular na pumapasok sa office. Most of the meals that I prepared since we started our plant-based whole food journey can be batch cooked. Very efficient ito sa aming dalawang mag-asawa, especially just to ensure that we are eating right, eating correct, and we are eating clean. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung ating recipe for today and our tips for batch cooking. I hope makatulong yung idea of batch cooking sa inyo sa pagmamanage nyo rin ng meals ninyo sa inyong mga households. And especially for moms, sobrang makakatulong po ito kasi mas lesser po yung time, mas marami po kayong magiging time para sa inyong families and other things to focus on, hindi lamang yung ating pagpe-prepare ng meals. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the bell button for you to get notified sa ating mga spectacular videos dito sa channel. We are hoping and praying to give you more contents as we go dito sa channel natin. We are planning to have a life vlog and a tech vlog. So stay tuned. If you try this recipe, please tag me sa inyong stories at @sespectacular sa IG. And also like my Facebook page @sespectacularvlt. We hope to see you soon. Shout out sa mga nag-try ng recipe natin. Thank you. I really appreciate the love and support sa pag-try nyo ng recipe na pini-feature natin sa vlog. It really encourages me to push forward, to make more contents like this. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!